And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. How is everybody? Happy Tuesday, right? Monday, Tuesday, all right. Tuesday, 7th of May 2024. My name is Mike, the FX boss. This is the professional Forex trading course. Remember what we're trying to do here? We're trying to go from zero to a millionaire trader, right? Trader who is managing potentially millions or trillions or billions in 3 weeks, in 3 years on average, in an institutional way, right? Remember, what does this mean? First the analyst, First you learn about the market, then you learn about the business, right? So Forex Course 101 is the foundational course. Also, never forget that you're going to graduate when you have your strategy in place. Today, everybody, what is your strategy? Part 5. Today is our last day talking about strategies. All right? Today it's our last day talking about strategy. You should form your strategy. Risk disclaimer, the stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. Never forget, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? And for questions and homeworks, you have the Gmail, Skype. Alright, if you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it. And everybody, give me a second. Alright, so what we're going to do today, tell me a currency pair. If not, I'm going to go with AUD USD, AUD CAD. So I'm going to show you, we talked about trade management, we talked about risk management. Okay, so I'm going to show you how can you use a system of colors to help you. Would this be okay? AUD CAD monthly, weekly, daily goes up in here, and 4-hour chart goes down here, and 4-hour chart goes up in here, and daily goes down to here. All right, something like this. Would this be all right, everybody? Type in the chat a currency pair. I mean, we can go one by one, all right? We can go one by one. Okay? Now, if you want to copy, you can copy, not a problem. All right? So, to help me to make better decisions or whatever might be the case, entering the market, managing the trade, getting out of the market. So on the daily chart, I'm using the indicator, it's called KDJ, and write down, those are the parameters. Fast is 7, slow is 14. The third one, it's exponential moving average, then slow period D, it's 2. Slow DMAT, it's EMA again. Multiplier -2, the multiplier is 3. Don't ask me why those numbers, don't ask me why this setup, I have no clue. Alright, this is how I got it. Okay, so you can copy the settings, not a problem, not a secret, Some of you are even better than me in indicators, so most likely. All right. And on the upside, we have what? We have Heikin Ashi. The indicator, everybody. Heikin Ashi, it's by default. You have Heikin Ashi smooth. All right, and then we have. I'm going to delete a few things. We don't need this. This is from another system. Going to maybe the 200, maybe symbolizing the consolidation maybe, or all right, let's take it out. All right, so we have Heikinashi, we have exponential moving average 21 and 8, and we have Heikinashi smooth. All right, so before I enter long or short, in this example would be AUD long, I need to see the KDJ indicator totally green, fully green. As you can see, if we zoom in sometimes, you know, no, there is no right or wrong. Yeah, I know people are using stochastic RSI, people are using MACD, people are using, I know, there is no right or wrong. Alright, but here would be the example that this KDJ went green. Alright, so vertical line, this was the signal here, this was still red. Now this candle here was the signal to go long on the daily. And Heikinashi was white. The exponential moving averages crossed. Edit indicator, so we can talk about maybe like this would be great, right? Better to see the, there you go, you have the EMA edit, and can you see it? So the moving average crossed here, which was the next candle was really the signal to enter. And also the, on the second, on the blue one, there you go, dark blue. On the dark blue vertical line, the Heikinashi smooth turned green too. Alright? But this is not enough. This is not enough, just an example. You know, because this is the daily, it's for direction. Alright, and let's go back to the daily. So this happened, what was this? 2020 April, January, February, March, April 25th, right? April 25th. April 25th. Let's try to find out April 25th. 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Okay. It's the same concept. It's multiple time frames. So the daily, it's giving me direction. All right. What is your strategy? Part 5, everybody. We are working on that you can build a system of colors, whatever you want. Make this stochastic, gamma goopy, you know. One of my student traders said this one, you know, it's really, I mean, I'm not goopy, let me see, goopy. I mean, look at this one. Wow, right? Oops. Gamma, there you go. Nice indicator, right? I would not, if I'm honest, I would not know how to use it. I wouldn't know how to use it really, but it's, I mean, it looked like nice, right? The long EMAs and short EMAs. I mean, there is maybe some logic in it. Gamma goopy. Maybe there is some logic, but I wouldn't know if I'm honest. Especially when they overlap. I mean, okay, let's get rid of it. Okay. All right. So here you enter. And then you manage the trade. Remember we talked about trade management. Heikinashi turned blue, 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 white again. You entered fully in the trade, blue, blue, white, 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 blue, retracement. See, here you would get out 100%, and then slowly, step by step, here you would enter 100% in again, and moving up, 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 and then we are here still. All right. So if you want to go long on AUD CAD, you need to wait for this candle to close, and it's going to close about in 1 hour 48 minutes. If I am on the New York closed charts, yes I am. All right. All right, now let's see the next one, AUD CHF. The CHF pairs made a lot of money in the last 2 months. Hopefully they are going to continue. Hopefully they're going to continue. So we have here the chart. Oh, 30 minutes. Give it a second. 4-hour chart. I have the system here, not fully. It's not the full system. What about this one? Daily chart here, daily chart in here. So I'm going to open template, hopefully. And entry setup 4-hour, maybe. I'm missing it. And open template, trade management, maybe this one. 4-hour, let's go to the 2 daily, not 2 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, all right. Not sure where is the, oh, there you go, here. So up, 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 up. All right, okay, so I'm missing here some things. I need to go back to AUD CAD and save template again. So back to AUD CAD, everybody. Give it a second. That's the system. So we're going to right click, and we're not going to right click. We're going to save template, and all right, I have it in here. So not sure why I didn't open the, let's go back to AUD CHF. Yeah, I'm still long on AUD CHF. All right, we have the monthly, we have the weekly, we have the daily, and I'm going to open template and see in here. J4, all right, so I need to go to daily, all right, here, maybe this one. We got it, all right, so this is going to be the normal 4-hour chart. All right, so 4-hour chart in here, so up in here, okay, up in here. This is the system 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart. We're going to open template, and again 4-hour chart. All right, we got it. What I'm missing is just the daily, and daily. This is the, all right, daily and daily. So we are going to get rid of this one, everybody, and it's not a problem. So this goes here, and we're going to delete this one, and we're going to candles, there you go, daily chart, all good. And F11. Okay, all right. So daily chart, 30-minute chart, not sure about. Yeah, there are variations to the system. So let's see if we can enter the AUDCHF, right? So we're going to delete a few of those, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, not relevant. And I'm going to even save template. I'm going to, there you go. Okay. So all the requirements are met to go long on the AUDCHF daily chart. We talked about before about AUDCAT, how to enter. Now what about the 4-hour chart? Is the 4-hour chart letting me enter, you know? So I need to wait for the candle to close bullish. I need to wait, New York time charts, I need to wait for 1 hour 42 minutes for this candle to change to, closed white, Heikin Ashi. Boss, what are those? You have Heikin Ashi smooth, the green one. You have Heikin Ashi normal one indicator on J4X. The violet and the yellow are the exponential moving average 21 through 8. And this one, it's called KDJ. If you want to copy the parameter, just type in the chat, show me the parameters. All right. There is no right or wrong. I know most of traders on YouTube, TikTok, whatever, they are using stochastic RSI, they are using MACD, they are using ATR. There is no right or wrong. Okay, everybody? How would you manage the trade? Well, 4 colors, 4 times management, right? Let's say that I'm in here, let's say that I was buying, right? I was buying. As a matter of fact, I was buying for real. I'm still on AUDCHF long. Okay. Now here it appeared blue. I'm out 25%. Right? And if I increase the scale of the KDJ, you know, so it's 1 indicator, 2 indicators, EMA must cross is 1. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th. Okay, so I'm out 50%. Next candle, I'm in 25 because of the Heikin Ashi. This one is still red. Still red. Still red. The KDJ. Still red. I'm out 25. KDJ was right. I'm out 25%. I'm out 25%. I'm out still the same 25%. I mean 50, you know, 25 plus 25. I'm out 50% of the position. You know, I'm out 75. Heikin Ashi smooth. Changed colors. I'm out 75% of the position. Still. I'm in 25. I'm out 25. You know, EMA almost crossed. I'm in 25. Now look at this. I'm in 25% from the Heikin Ashi. I'm in 25% from the KDJ. KDJ turning green. Look in here. Turned green, the two lines. I'm in the trade, 25% plus 25% plus 25. The moving average exponential, they didn't cross. And still nothing changed. And now I'm in 100% again. Boss, this is a lot of hard work. It's every, I would not say so because it's every 4 hours. This is one of the reasons that I'm on the 4-hour chart. It's, you know, it's every candle, it's 4 hours. So you have time to go to the swimming pool, you have time to walk your dogs, you have time to read the books, you have time to paint your paintings, whatever may be the case. All right? And Bitcoin again, right? Something's happening with Bitcoin. Anyways, here it's, I mean, 100% again. 100%, 100%, out 25, out 50, still out, you know, and there you go. Right now, you know, right now for me to, boss, what if I'm not the market? If you are going to use this system, you need to wait for all the indicators to position themselves in the right place. All right, Bitcoin on the line. When the docs are getting crazy, Fibonacci, something is happening with Bitcoin. So crypto, Bitcoin, let's see. Let's see why Fibonacci were getting crazy. If you didn't see, everybody, Fibonacci, give me a second. If you didn't see Fibonacci, Forex course backgrounds, nothing here, desktop maybe, lot of cars and houses. Oh, there you go. Those are your two best friends. This is Fibo, as per Fibonacci, and this is and this is Ichi, like for Ichimoku, and they are always fighting, you know. They're always fighting, Fibo and Ichi. Those are your best friends in the, you know it, right? In the Forex course, choo, those are your best friends. All right. Bitcoin, right? So what happened with Bitcoin? It's up in here now, moving up and down. So it's still in a downtrend, right? Bitcoin was what, 70,000 roughly, and it's making lower lows, lower highs. It's in a downtrend, so it's 63 something right now. Nothing special, you know. I was not sure why they were crazy. AUDJPY next. Boss, do I need to use the system? You don't need to. Everybody, we covered a lot, right? Talking about your strategy, we covered a lot. We covered that you must have a general rules, you must define patterns. We talked about how to behave in front and during news events. We talked about entry and exit setups. We talked about risk management and trade management. And now today I'm showing you, it's not a must, but if you want, how it would be if a system of colors would help you to make better decisions. Does this make sense? And I'm going to clone this chart, and I'm going to clone this chart, and I'm going to open a template, and I need to go here to JForex for daily, and I need to go here and open, let's see. All right, so one more time, AUDJPY, everybody, give me a second. We are at the monthly bands. Right, let me see if I have, all right, New York charts, all good. AUDJPY, we are at the monthly bands, waiting to short the market. And a system of colors like this one can F11, all right, not sure, could really help you, right? Can you short the market based on the daily system? No, you can't. KDJ, not enough. This is one. Heikin Ashi is green, Heikin Ashi is white, Heikin Ashi smooth is green, exponential moving averages are pointing up. It's not the right time to short the market yet. All right? Let's talk about the money makers. Let's talk about the CHF. Maybe I can help you with. Boss, can I take your indicators? Sure. Those are not my indicators, everybody. All right? We talked about this already, my strategy in the Forex course too. It's also nothing special. What is it saying, Canada CHF, talking about entering the market and buying the daily chart? Maybe not yet, right? KDJ is red, Heikin Ashi is blue, Heikin Ashi smooth is green, and looks like now that the moving averages are crossing. So now it's not the right time, according to the system of colors, to enter long Canada CHF. All right? This is the, yes, exactly, this is the difficult part. Whatever system you are going to use, you must obey the system. It doesn't serve you. It doesn't serve you. You go to the weekly chart and you say, oh, but I'm still in an uptrend and whatever, you know, and the market is at past support. Just an example. You know, this was the market at past support and I have a bullish candlestick formation. Maybe, just maybe, we are in consolidation. I'm going to buy. You don't need the system then. Does this make sense? By the way, there is no right or wrong. One of the biggest money makers so far for the last 2 months was Euro CHF. I mean, all the CHF were rallying, minus the CHF JPY because of the yen. Euro CHF. Clone chart, 4 hour, clone chart. Let's go to the daily, open, whoops, not clone. Open template. It should go here and JForex for here and comma, open here in the 4 hour. Open template, comma, 4 hour, all right. Euro CHF on the daily chart. Good news, bad news. KDJ is down, need to be green. Exponential moving averages are up. Heikin Ashi smooth, it's red. And Heikin Ashi, the normal white color, it's... We need to wait for the market to close. So far, if you're going to obey the system, stay out. Boss, how can you integrate the system with the Fibonacci's? Well, this is the question about the strategy. Does this make sense? It's up to you, it's up your strategy. If you're using the Fibonacci's on the weekly chart, and the next Fibonacci is going to be like this, you know, and you say, all right, I cannot enter without the system, if you want. If I'm not using the system, I can enter based on the bullish candlestick formations. I can enter based on many variables. But if I say in my strategy that I'm going to use the system to enter, you know, you need to decide if it's going to be the system on the daily or it's going to be the system on the weekly. On the weekly, still good. Minus KDJ as an indicator, it's telling you to get out 25% of the position. Or you are going to use it on the 4-hour chart. It's up to you. This is a strategy question. Make sense? How to enter, where to enter. Me personally, for me to get in or get out, I need to have the 4 indicators aligned, which is happening right now. Heikin Ashi smooth was green from here. Heikin Ashi, the normal one, was white from here or here. KDJ was green from here. Just the exponential moving average, 8 and 21, are crossing right now. So how do you define your entry? This is up to you, everybody. Make sense? You can use just KDJ to buy or sell. You can use KDJ and Heikin Ashi. You can say in your strategy, all right, I'm going to use the 4 indicators, but for me to enter the market, I need minimum 2 out of 4 or minimum 3 out of 4. Then you would have entered in the market long in here. Does this make sense? There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, everybody. You can use what you can delete this one and delete this one and delete this one and delete, you know, and just have those two. Why not? Just an example. Or what is it, this? 8. Or you can have something like this. Green candlesticks, Heikin Ashi candles, white above the EMA 21, why not? Bearish Heikin Ashi below the 21 EMA plus red. You would make some money, wouldn't you? No, this is no suggestion, this is no trading advice, this is no investment advice. Whatever you do, you should research and backtest. Make sense, everybody? If you would use this instead of the previous one, you would get in here, you would get out here, you know, red, red, blue, blue, 50%, 50%. There is no right or wrong. It depends how many, but see, KDJ also get complicated sometimes. See in here? Look at that. See in here, you know, it's a mess. In and out, green, white, I mean blue, blue, green, red, red, green. Boss, what if you eliminate KDJ? You can eliminate KDJ, you know? White above the 21, it's a buy. But again, you must understand that you must backtest to the point for you to see whatever you do on indicators, you must understand and try not to give it back to the market. Let's say that you enter here, white Heikin-Ashi above the 21 EMA. So here you're happy, you're making money, you're making money, you're making money, you're making money. And let's say that you're going to get out when the Heikin-Ashi blue gets below this line. So I'm not really sure, you know, if this would be enough. There is no magic formula, everybody, and there is no easy way. You must backtest. You could say, all right, I'm going to get out 50% here and the next 50% here. If you would use KDJ with the entries, you can say, all right, 50% in here, 50% in here with the green KDJ, and you're using the same logic. You can also split KDJ in 25-25. So one is red, one is still green, you get out 25%. Let's see how this would play out. So you get out 25%, you get out another 25%, but on the Heikin-Ashi you are still in. Here you would get in, and here would get out. Well, this would be maybe, you know, it's would be a nice way to go. Anyway, yes, you need to backtest. Sure, you can do this. All right. Somebody's asking for 30-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 30-minute. Intraday trading. Everybody, Forex course 101, multiple time frames. 2 days ago, I was quite hopefully strict with you, with the understanding that Forex course 101 and the multiple time frame, the monthly and the weekly and the daily do matter. This would be, well, 30 minutes, it's a big time frame. I would say that 15-minute chart, you know, for intraday trading. Where are we right now? Let's go to, so let's go to the 15-minute chart. See, there is no easy way. See, in and out, 15 minutes. You would enter here, you would go here and out 50%, out 25, out 100%. Now you would get in 100%. Consolidation is suffering for everybody. Exactly. Exactly. Consolidation go. Everybody suffers in consolidation. Me personally, you know, now this is me Remember everybody, this is no trading advice, all right? When I was, this is the 4 hour. When I was doing my back testing, I was seeing that many times, you know, even with all the indicators, the moving average exponential, like in here, or what would be the better example? Like in here, you know, it didn't, see, it didn't cross. I'm going to right click and edit indicator, and we're going to do it like this. See in here everybody? Even though KDJ was red, even though Heikinashi was blue, even though Heikinashi smooth was red, I was still in the trade long 25% of my position. There is no, somebody, yeah, I agree with you. Somebody is saying, boss, but you can always re-enter. Yeah, that's true, but it's hard work, right? If you cannot predict the future, nonetheless, the moving average would close below, I would get out. But in here, you know, I'm still so buying from here, down in here, and continuing staying the trade up to here, you know, this made a hefty profit. The last 25. Boss, can I take it into 5 divided by 5? Yes, you can. You enter with 0.1 lots, right? And here you and here you go. You get out 20% because of this one, the red one. Then here you would get out another 20% plus another 20. You would get out 60. And you are still in 40% because of the Heikinashi smooth and the moving average. Now you would get out 80% of your position in here, and lastly you would get out 100% when the market when the moving average crossed in here. Okay, there is no I know, you know, not good enough. You want the perfect setup, you want the perfect system. Unfortunately, doesn't exist, everybody. This is our last session talking about your strategy. You don't need the system necessarily. All right, you don't need the system necessarily, but if you are going to implement it in any case or form, you know, you need to backtest it. Fair enough? Maybe this is not bad also, right? You know, you get out. To get in, you need the 3 of them, green, green, white, above, but to get out, it's 50-50, right? It's 50%, 50%, not bad. In consolidation, you're going to suffer. There is no escape. 50% out of the position, getting in, 50% out, 100% out, you know. Well, this is, now that I'm looking at this one, this is really, I mean, it's also quite good. Not that bad. I need to backtest it, everybody. All right? It's not that bad if you are willing to listen to the indicators. Boss, can I cancel and replace instead of having indicators? Yes, you can. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. If you are going to have indicators, just obey what the indicator is telling you to do. If you want to manage your trade with indicators, obey the indicators. Fair enough? Alright everybody, our time is up for today. See you back tomorrow. Tomorrow we are moving forward with another topic. I believe there are crowns. Okay? Until tomorrow, stay strong and research indicators like a boss. Never forget, you're the boss of your account. This is the boss.